Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to our New Voices class. Today, let us start with a new lesson in English. But before starting the lesson, we are going to learn the new words so that it will be easy for you to read the lesson. So, let us start drilling the words. Okay, children, you all will repeat after the teacher. You are going to repeat the words after the teacher. I will say the words 3 times. The spellings I will repeat 3 times. Okay, and you are going to repeat after teacher. The first word is smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Next word. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Next word. Cow dung. C-O-W-D-U-N-G. Cow dung. C-O-W-D-U-N-G. Cow dung. C-O-W-D-U-N-G. Cow dung. Next word. Socks. S-O-C-K-S. Socks. S-O-C-K-S. Socks. S-O-C-K-S. Socks. Next is yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y. Yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y. Yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y. Yummy. Next word. Luchi aloo. L-U-C-H-I-A-L-O-O. Luchi aloo. L-U-C-H-I-A-L-O-O. Luchi aloo. L-U-C-H-I-A-L-O-O. Luchi aloo. Next word. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. Next word. Gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A-B. J-A-M-U-N-S. Gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A-B. J-A-M-U-N-S. Gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A-B. J-A-M-U-N-S. Gulab jamuns. Next word. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Next word. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Next one. Here. H-E-R-E. H-E-R-E. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. Next one. Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. dirty. Next word, coming. C-O-M-I-N-G. Coming. C-O-M-I-N-G. Coming. C-O-M-I-N-G. Coming. Next word, yucky. Y-U-C-K-Y. Yucky. Y-U-C-K-Y. Yucky. Y-U-C-K-Y. Yucky. Mucky. M-U-C-K-Y. Mucky. M-U-C-K-Y. Mucky. M-U-C-K-Y. Mucky. Next word, from. F-R-O-M. From. F-R-O-M. From. F-R-O-M. From. Last word, lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. Lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. Lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. Lovely. Now children, we are going to read these words once again. Now we are not going to read the spelling. We are not going to say the spelling. Directly we are going to read these words. Okay. Number 1, smell. Number 2, flowers. Number 3, cow dung. 4, socks. 5, yummy. 6, luchi aloo. 7, shop. 8, here. 9, sweet. 10, gulab jamuns. 11, coming. 12, lovely. 13, yucky. 14, mucky. 15, dirty. 16, bad. 17, from. 18, hot. Okay. So children, we have finished drilling the words. You have to learn these words by heart. The spellings you have to learn by heart. Now children, we are going to start with the frame sentence. Okay, frame sentences. I told you what are frame sentences. Okay, one word will be given to you and you have to frame the sentence on the given word. Okay, first I will frame and show you. The word is lovely. You have to frame sentence on lovely. Okay, let us see what is sentence. Shreya has a lovely doll. Sentence on lovely. Shreya has a lovely doll. So here children, the word lovely is very important. So you have to, the word lovely should be there in the sentence. If this word is not there, then sentence is wrong. Okay. Next one, yummy. Next word is yummy. So you have to frame sentence on yummy. The cake was yummy. Okay. The cake was yummy. So sentence on yummy is the cake was yummy. Next one, sweet. Sentence on sweet. Sugar is sweet. Sugar is sweet. Okay. Next word, hot. Next word is hot. So you have to frame sentence on hot. The tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. So in this sentence, sweet is very important. If you will not write sweet, in place of sweet, if you will write some other word, then also the sentence is wrong. If you write sugar is tasty, then also the sentence is wrong. Why? Because you have not used the word sweet. In place of sweet, you have used tasty. Sugar is tasty. The sentence is already wrong. Okay? So children, you have to use the same words. What word is given, on that word only you have to frame sentences. Okay, in place of, suppose in place of hot, you will write the tea is very cold. Okay, the sentence is right, the tea is very cold. Instead of hot, you are writing cold. The sentence framing is right, but you are not use the word hot in this. In place of hot, you are use cold. Okay, so the word hot should be there in the sentence. So the tea is very hot. Okay, so children, one more word. On this word we are going to frame the sentence, that is flowers. I saw many flowers in the garden. I saw many flowers in the garden. Okay children, now we have finished framing the sentence. Now I am going to ask you few questions. Okay, and you are going to answer. Now tell me, see here, I am showing you something on the screen. Okay, on the camera I am going to show you something. What is it children? Can you tell me? Yes, it is incense stick. What is it? It is incense stick. Okay, incense stick means agarbatti. Okay, you burn in front of God, no? Okay, that is incense stick. Agarbatti also we say in Hindi. Okay, so what is this? Incense stick. Now, next one. How is the fragrance of this stick? Fragrance means the smell. How is the fragrance of this stick? It is lovely. The fragrance is lovely. So the fragrance of the incense stick is lovely. Okay. Now tell me, how do you know that it is a lovely fragrance? How do you know that it is a lovely fragrance? Can you tell me? Yes, because we smelt with the nose. No? By smelling with the nose, we could know that the smell is lovely. Okay, the smell is good or it is bad. Okay. So, our nose help us to tell the smell is good smell or bad smell. Smell tells us guess the taste of things. The smell of something also tell us how far we are from it. So in today's lesson number 3, the sweet smell, we are going to know about the different types of smells. Okay. In this lesson, a little boy was sitting outside his house. He smells a sweet smell coming from somewhere. So he goes in search where the sweet smell is coming from. First, he comes to a garden. There he smells the lovely flowers, but it was not the sweet smell he was searching for. So he goes to another place. Which is that place? The cowshed. There he smells bad smell of cow dung. Okay. Then he comes to his room. He smells the dirty smell of his socks. Then he goes to the kitchen. There he smells the yummy smell of luchi aloo. But that was not the smell he was searching for. So where did he go now? So he went out again in search of the smell. He came near a sweet shop. Okay, he came near a sweet shop and came to know where the sweet smell was coming from. So do you want to know from where the sweet smell was coming? Can you guess? Yes, so he reached the sweet shop, no? So from the sweet shop, he came to know that the smell is coming from the gulab jamuns. The gulab jamuns which were there in the sweet shop. Okay, so he came to know that the sweet smell is coming from the gulab jamuns. Okay, children? So children, we are going to stop here and will continue the remaining part in the next period. Okay? Children, I am going to give you the homework, that is home assignment. So what is the home assignment? You have to write and learn the new words 3 times. So in the beginning of the lesson, we have done the new words, right? We have drilled the new words. So those new words you are going to write 3 times as well as learn the spellings. Okay? So children, will meet in the next period. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you, children.